So let's begin with the JavaScript. So before the JavaScript actually begins, let's connect it. Yeah, the bottom script type. Okay, src is gonna be dot slash main dot js our JavaScript file. Now the first thing is what we want to do is that .ul .ul width is gonna be 100%, height is gonna be 100 vh, position is gonna be fixed, background is gonna be slash fff. Z index is gonna be 100 or 2, whatever you like. Up is 0, left is also 0. Set index 100, background whatever 100 vh, make the position first. Display flex, align items, center, justify content, center, flex direction, column. %. Okay, isn't working. Say that you're nav here. Yeah, that is pretty low. Did they have any kind of like alliance? Yeah, so no margins to 0, adding is to 0, and all of that. Yeah, see, it's in the center. Now after all of this, say display is to none. Now JavaScript would kick in. How? See, we would attach over here a button in place of that. We would give it a button. What we would call it? The class or ID is gonna be called as btn main. Okay. .btn menu display block, and over here .btn menu display none. Okay. Menu for both the cases, right? Yeah. What it is doing over here. Okay. It is not dot. It cannot be dot. We are using id. We are using id. We are using id. So no dot. Yes. I'm saying yes. It is. Yeah. Doing a great job. Now let's say since we are done with the HTML and CSS part, let's start with the JavaScript. So define a script tag over here. Say a script. Close the script tag. Not needed to define the type. It's being JavaScript. So define a variable x document dot get elements by id. Then say our id over here is btn menu. So say btn menu. After that close it. Say x dot add event listener. Then they click and out of the quotations comma say function open with e as a parenthesis and add the parenthesis and then say e dot prevent default to prevent the default action. After that say e after that we would need to define another variable y document dot get elements with small s by tag name and then say ul, and as it would return us an array, so we have to say which element we want. So the 0th element or the first element. After that say y dot style dot display is equals to text. Let's see how well it's working. See, it's coming out. It's coming out pretty well. So between the time I have made some changes in the CSS, so it's coming a half, so not a big problem. You would see in the next video why it's coming half. Okay, so after that we would add another button out over here for closing the div. So we are opening it, but there should also be a button to close it. So let's add a button within the UL. Say bdn a button, and also the class would be button menu cls. Then we would button menu cls. Okay, and we would say close. After that come over here, var z is equals to document dot get element by id, then btn menu cls, then copy this whole thing, paste it, not needed these things, say it to be z, and say it to be none. Let us check it again. Open it. Not closing it. Okay, let's see. Have we given it? Oh, we have given it the class. Sorry, ID. Yeah. Menu. Those menu. Those. Yeah. So we would stylize this button and the other button in the next video, and also you would see that why it's coming half over there. Actually, that video is recorded previously as my clip was deleted, so this is the problem. So thank you.